Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to install the Weverse app on your phone. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. So first of all, open Play Store if you are on Android device and open App Store if you are on iOS device. I'll open Play Store on my phone. This is the homepage of Play Store. On the homepage, you'll have to tap on the search bar at the top. Then on the search bar, simply type Weverse and press search. So this is the app we're looking for, the one at the top. Now all you have to do is tap on the install option and wait for the app to get installed. Meanwhile, let's talk about the app. So basically, using Weverse, you can connect with your fandom. You can not only connect with your fandom but also with your idols. I've seen idols commenting on their fan posts many times. Also, using this app, you can buy merch and also tickets for concerts. So the app is almost installed now. Let's wait for a few more seconds. And as you can see on the screen, the app has been installed. Now all you have to do is tap on the open option and you'll be directed to the app. Then you can create an account and start using it. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for further tutorials. Thank you.